Hello everyone, welcome back to our trading channel. So guys, in this particular video, I am going to be trading based on psychological principles. As you can clearly see here, I will demonstrate precisely how I execute my trades. Let us observe the market, okay? So the market is currently open and active. If we carefully analyze the market, after observing 2 consecutive green candles, there are now 2 red candles. Now, if the market approaches or comes very near the specific level, I will definitely consider taking a red trade in the exact same direction. Otherwise, I will not proceed. If this current green candle also forms completely, then I will certainly take a red trade in the same direction for the very next candle. Okay, so we have now arrived at the ranging market here, a very interesting and dynamic environment for trading. Okay guys, so if this particular green candle forms exactly as we anticipate, showing strong bullish momentum, then we will proceed. Let's carefully observe its development and confirmation. Okay guys, so based on this precise observation and the confirmation of the green candle's formation, I have confidently placed a trade here for 1 unit or 1 lot, anticipating a favorable outcome. This is a crucial moment in our trading session. Here, we can clearly see that this red candle, which preceded our current situation, had formed with a certain bearish pressure. However, immediately after its formation, a strong and decisive green candle has emerged. What's particularly significant about this green candle is that it has not only surpassed the body of the previous red candle, but has also completely engulfed the wick of our previous red candle, indicating a very strong reversal signal and a potential shift in market sentiment. This engulfing pattern is a key indicator we look for in our technical analysis, suggesting that the buyers have taken significant control from the sellers in the specific price action. That means buying can happen here, okay? Can happen, but nothing is definite. In trading, whenever you place a trade, there is no guarantee that your trade will be profitable or will end in a loss. Alright, you can only assume, you can only make predictions, okay? With projections, with support and resistance levels, with indicators, but you can't predict exactly what is going to happen. You won't be able to know that for sure. So that's the thing. Let's see, guys, let's look here. Okay, so guys, you can see here that 1 green candle has formed, and this is a winning trade. Okay, let's open the details. There's consolidation happening in ODJD, so what I'll simply do here is set an origin level, place it near this green candle, and then move it a little higher and set it here. Alright, so if the market decisively breaks this important and significant level of ours, then it is highly probable that the market might indeed try to move significantly downwards from this current position. However, we absolutely cannot predict with complete certainty exactly what's going to happen next, because this is the dynamic world of trading, and truly anything and everything can happen in the unpredictable realm of trading. Therefore, I've carefully placed 2 strategic trades here for the anticipated uptrend, just because at this specific and crucial level in the market, we clearly observed a solid and substantial red candle closing, and immediately after that, a prominent green candle has distinctly formed here, which notably possesses a huge and elongated wick. That clearly means it strongly shows that active and aggressive buyers are actively and powerfully coming in here. That's precisely why I quickly and decisively placed a trade here, because now the market is poised to move significantly upwards and there's going to be a powerful and substantial pump here. So, let's carefully observe and see, guys, how this unfolds. So guys, as you can clearly see here, the market has moved up really nicely and with good momentum, primarily because there's a period of consolidation happening here. So what exactly happens in consolidation? If we see any candle here that has formed strongly and it's a green candle, that means there could be a reversal here. So we can take advantage of that and place our trade accordingly. Alright, so this is what candle psychology is all about. Candle psychology means that you understand what's happening according to the market levels. What is this candle telling us, and what can the candle do? Alright, so that's what's called candlestick psychology. Okay, so now I'll check CHF here as well. Can this be a level? Okay, so if the market decisively breaks the significant level, we will definitely proceed in the downward direction. Otherwise, we will move in the upward direction. Guys, so I have carefully placed 1 upward trade here. Now, what exactly is the underlying psychology at play here? Break time equals 0.5s forward slash is the opposite if the market goes up from here. If we had gotten a breakout here or a slight breakout to the upside, I would have definitely gone for a downward trade. But right now, the market hasn't done anything like that to the upside. That means the market still has to move upward, okay? So I'm taking the trade. I've taken 2 trades here. All right, because the market still has to move upward, and once it does, then we'll see selling pressure here in the market. So that's why I've placed 2 trades to the downside here. If our trades to the upside don't turn out profitable here, then the ones to the downside will become profitable for us. All right, so let's see, guys. As far as I think, the market should move upward, and it can be a green candle also, so let's see, guys. Let's see precisely what the market will ultimately do. Okay, no worries at all, guys. The specific trade we initially placed to the upside unfortunately didn't turn out to be profitable, but both of our subsequent trades to the downside have indeed become quite profitable. Alright, so this is exactly what happens when you truly know whether you can strongly and confidently believe in the crucial levels you've meticulously marked on the market or not. Okay, so I'll tell you again, in the world of trading, you can never simply make a quick profit here just like that. If you truly think that if I just learn one particular strategy really well, master it completely, and then I'll be able to make consistent and substantial profits here, that's absolutely not how it works, guys. You have to keep learning continuously and diligently. As long as you keep learning and expanding your knowledge, you'll keep gaining greater clarity and understanding about various things. If you ever stop learning, you will inevitably stop earning because the market is never, ever the same and is constantly evolving. The market is always changing. It's never the same. So guys, that's the concept of this video, how we can use candlestick psychology. All right. And I would just say, until you really learn things, don't place any trades at all. Only trade in demo, only place trades in the demo account. All right, that will be better for you. Okay, everyone, let's delve into the technical aspects and explore more rates. We'll pinpoint one specific chart and analyze the ticket rate thoroughly. So let's meticulously examine the Australian dollar to Canadian dollar currency pair right here on our screen. I will carefully mark the significant level on the chart, indicating a potential area of interest or support/resistance. Furthermore, I will precisely mark one additional crucial level here, providing another key reference point for our analysis, all right? Okay, all right guys, after careful consideration and observing the market conditions, I have successfully placed one order here, initiating our trade based on the identified levels and our strategic plan. There is a consolidation area present here, so the market can definitely do anything at this particular point in time. The market can go up or down, entirely depending on our consolidation area. If you look at it closely, now the market is very likely to move significantly upwards from this current point, so let's just see what happens. If this particular trade of ours doesn't turn out to be profitable, then the 2 trades I've carefully placed here will both become profitable. So let's see, guys, what happens. Anything can happen in the market. The market doesn't move according to us. It moves according to itself. But by understanding the market, by understanding the price action, we can place trades here accordingly. So let's see, guys, what happens. Okay, guys, so here our trade has indeed won. Let's carefully check the details of this trade. Okay, as you can clearly see here, out of our 2 executed trades, the one position below was profitable, and the other single trade above resulted in a loss. No worries at all, we still ended up being quite profitable here because we meticulously placed the trade well below the designated level, and the market ultimately closed significantly above our predetermined level. That's precisely why we were indeed profitable in this particular instance. Alright, so guys, I really want to emphatically tell you that trading is inherently very risky. Okay, there is substantial financial risk absolutely involved, and you could potentially lose your entire invested fund here, so I absolutely and strongly do not recommend that you engage in any trading activities. If you truly cannot afford to lose your capital, then you absolutely and unequivocally should not get into trading. Please stay completely away from it. Trading is definitely not for you at all. Trading is not for those who can't afford it. Trading is for those who have the funds, who have a separate setup, who run a business or have another source of income. They can invest that money into trading. Even if they incur losses, it doesn't affect them much. So trading is for those who can handle losses, who can afford them, for whom losing is acceptable. So that's all in this video, and that's it, guys. I hope you liked the video. Guys, if you enjoyed the video, please like it, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Bye-bye.